Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Mr. Balmer's YouTube videos. Something very special again, which I can present to you. I'm on the NASA's website of the James Webb Space Telescope's first image, just published today, Tuesday, July the 12th, 2022. As you can see, these are the first images right in front of you, which just were revealed. And so let's directly go into it. James Webb Space Telescope. First images from the James Webb Space Telescope. All right. Here we have the Carina Nebula. First color image they released, and that's how it looks. Amazing. We see an, I could say, almost like infinite amount of stars. In other pictures they released, I will show you in a few seconds. You will also see galaxies, and there are also planets, of course. But look at this picture. Look at this picture, the nebula here, and the stars in different colors. The blue ones are, as they say, the hotter stars. And what an image, isn't it? So they say the James Webb Space Telescope is 100 times more powerful than Hubble, and Hubble already revealed over the years a lot of beautiful pictures about what it's out there in our space, or in space, in the universe, as we call it, universe, this way. So look at this picture. Isn't that amazing already? So the James Webb Space Telescope is now in space, roughly 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth, and orbiting there and is ready for science and discovery. All instruments are operational and functioning as expected, better than actually they predicted, as they say. And yeah, let's go to the next image. Well, this is a little bit zoom in. So let's go to the next image. It's the Sagittarius Quintet here, as they say. That's how it looks. What we see here in this image, a lot of galaxies already. Here, let's zoom in here, for example. This is, I think they call it spiral galaxy, this one here, but galaxy, a lot of different galaxies here and stars between, of course. That's quite a bright one here. It's an extremely bright one, made to say it that way here. In the center, here is a galaxy. What they say is, like, I'll show another picture after. There's another galaxy here. So there are a lot of galaxies here. And our own galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, is just one of such galaxies. And there are billions of billions of billions of billions of galaxies we can see now. And there are maybe many more we can't see at the moment, but yeah, amazing pictures. So we go to the Southern Ring Nebula here. Looks like this. I think this is from the James Webb Space Telescope, and maybe that's from the Hubble, probably. I need to read it, but here you can see there's a bright star in the middle, and look at this. With the software we have today and technology, I think we can highly sharpen that and made it precision to the slightest, smallest point, made to say it that way. Yeah. Look at this. Amazing already. So let's go to another picture they published. The WASP-96b. And that is a hot gas giant exoplanet, WASP-96b. The atmospheric composition you can measure with the James Webb Space Telescope. You can see water composition in the atmosphere, and therefore with all the instruments together they can see if there is a habitable zone like our own. That means maybe we can detect a habitable zone and maybe there is life out there in space. For the first time ever, we can, as I've heard, it is possible to understand the composition of the atmosphere and therefore determine if there could be life possible in the universe. Yeah, science, discovery, and the accelerated computing and accelerated discovery with modern technology is now starting. Let's go back for the last image here as they published for the moment. Much more to come, I guess. This is the SMACS 0723, as they say, and this image here, what you can see is already so many galaxies and stars. See? Galaxy, 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 nebula, galaxy. Galaxy, 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 galaxies, a lot of galaxies here, and nebulas. This image, as they say, is like as you would like, or as you would hold a grain of salt on your fingertips at arm length. So you stretch your arm full out, and that your fingertips, you're holding a grain of salt, pointing it into the sky, and the little view of that little tiny grain of salt is the view you see in this picture. That means this picture with so many things you already can see in it, and this is the first image, I guess it was revealed from the James Webb Space Telescope, or NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. It's just a little, very little, tiny fracture view of space. Amazing. Wonderful. Think about if you can see the whole picture. The whole, not just that little spot of that grain of salt at arm length pointed pointed towards the sky. If you can see everything there, I would say, and this is what we can see right now, starting to reveal with the James Webb Space Telescope 100 times more powerful than the Hubble Space Telescope. Think about a little bit further. What are the things which are behind we can't see at the moment? Maybe we can see that in maybe the next frontier of technology, if you want to call it another telescope in the future. Look at this, the little tiny points here you still can see in the back. They say this picture is about 13 point something billion light years away from Earth. As they say, think about if you can look much further in the future into space. What else you can see, right? So there are infinite galaxies, stars, planets, black holes, and whatever is out there in space. Honestly, we say frankly or honestly, we don't even know what this is. And we're just a very small part of it. Amazing. Wonderful. So with this, I thank you for your time to listen to me, to new discoveries. If you like, you can give a thumbs up, give a thumb up, and you can also share to all the people you know. Would be much appreciated. Thank you at this point already. And there is one more thing. If you also can subscribe, and if you would like to get notified, there's a little bell. Set it to all, and you get always every time notified when I upload a new video. First color image from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed on Tuesday, July the 12th, 2022. And hopefully much more to come. With this, I say again, thank you very much for your time. And as always, peace in.